So welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly special, Seamoss, that incredible ocean superfood that everyone's buzzing about. But here's the thing, this isn't just a trendy ingredient. This humble seaweed has been a silent hero in cultures worldwide for centuries. We're going to explore its remarkable journey, its undeniable benefits, and exactly how you can make it a powerhouse addition to your daily wellness routine. History. Sea moss, often known as Irish sea moss or Chondrus crispus, holds a deep history, especially in the coastal communities. Imagine this, back in the 1800s, during the devastating Irish potato famine, this seaweed became a lifeline, offering vital nourishment when food was scarce. And it's not just Ireland, Caribbean and African cultures have treasured sea moss for generations, relying on it to boost vitality and support overall health. From a survival food to a globally recognized superfood, its versatility and nutritional punch are truly unmatched. Benefits. Now for the exciting part, the nutrition. Think of sea moss as nature's ultimate multivitamin, straight from the ocean. It's famous for containing a remarkable array of the minerals and vitamins our body needs to truly thrive. While the exact number varies, the consensus is clear. You're getting a broad spectrum of vital nutrients. We're talking significant amounts of the essentials like calcium, copper, iodine, iron, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, sodium, sulfur, and zinc. Plus, you get beneficial trace amounts of dozens of other minerals that contribute to the overall well being. In short, you're grabbing a powerhouse combo of minerals and vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and even plant based collagens, all in one natural package. Sustainability. Beyond its personal health benefits, sea moss also gets a massive green flag for sustainability. It grows incredibly fast in the ocean environments, requiring no fresh water or fertilizers, making it a truly eco friendly option. Plus, harvesting sea moss often provides crucial income and jobs for coastal communities. It's a win win. Good for you, good for the planet, good for the locals, good for the earth. Variations. Golden sea moss, the go to classic. This is probably the one you see most often. Light golden to pale yellow, its nutritional spotlight is on its fantastic iodine content, crucial for the thyroid support, plus solid levels of potassium and magnesium for muscle and nerve health. Because of its lighter color, it has milder antioxidants, offering gentle yet consistent benefits. Think supporting digestion and gut health, improving joint flexibility, and just all round daily nourishment. And the best part? Its neutral taste, which means you can blend it into pretty much anything smoothies, drinks, recipes without it changing the flavor too much or at all. Red sea moss, the antioxidant gem. Red sea moss boasts a vibrant crimson color thanks to the powerful phytonutrients and antioxidants. Nutritionally, it's rich in naturally occurring carrageenans, not the processed kinds you hear about, but the beneficial fibrous kind that support gut health by soothing the digestive tract. It's also notably high in vitamin B12, which is fantastic news for vegetarians and vegans. Key benefits include supporting healthy red blood cell production, potentially aiding recovery, and enhancing thyroid health with its iodine. Green sea moss, the detox support. That vibrant green comes from the chlorophyll, the same stuff that's integral in photosynthesis. So, nutritionally, you're getting high levels of chlorophyll from the detox support, plus magnesium, zinc, vitamin A, C, and E, all incredible for skin health. Benefits: promoting detoxification by supporting liver function, boosting energy levels, and helping improve skin clarity and overall vitality. Purple sea moss, the deeply protective one. This one has a striking deep purple or dark red hue, thanks to the anthocyanins, those same powerful antioxidants you find in blueberries. Its nutritional profile boasts a higher antioxidant punch than gold sea moss, along with rich minerals like zinc, calcium, and potassium. This means a stronger immune support, which helps with inflammation, enhancing cardiovascular health, and fantastic support for hair, skin, and nails. Irish sea moss. From the cold, pristine waters of the North Atlantic, what makes Irish sea moss distinctive is the incredibly dense mineral profile it's developed throughout the harsh oceanic conditions that concentrate the nutrients within the plant. It's particularly rich in iodine, selenium, and sulfur compounds, making it exceptional for the thyroid function and metabolic support. Traditional Irish communities also valued it for its remarkable ability to support respiratory health during the winters. Nutritionally, it offers a highly balanced mineral spectrum of all varieties, with bioavailable forms of calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals that are easily absorbed by the body. The cold water environment also means higher concentrations of omega 3 fatty acids and unique polysaccharides that support immune function. This is truly the gold standard that all other sea moss varieties are often measured against. So, how do you actually use this stuff? Well, you got options. Capsules, super easy for daily supplementation, perfect for people with busy lives. Then you got the powder. You can sprinkle this into soups, stews, or even baked goods for the steady nutrient boost. My personal favorite, the gel. I blend it up into a gel and then mix that into smoothies, teas, or just grab a spoon, dip it in a jar, and consume it like that. Or, if you want it to be more closer to what nature intended, you can just have it after you've soaked it and cleaned it raw. That's for the purists. It can easily just be eaten like a regular plant. And here's a bonus tip for you guys. You can actually use it as a face mask on your skin. Remember, it's the largest organ in the entire body. Paste it on your skin, let it dry, and then wash it off. All those nutrients are going directly into your face. Makes sense, no? Research. While the research is still growing, what we're seeing is incredibly promising, echoing what traditional cultures have known for ages. Early studies, like some highlighted on WebMD, suggest Seamoss might have even helped stop the bacterial growth in Salmonella. Though remember, these are preliminary findings. Rupert Health mentioned in vitro studies that it shows potential to help regulate our immune system. And then research from the National Institute of Health and on PubMed both show that it has strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, providing a scientific basis for many of its traditional uses. For good reason. These health publications are shining a light on the exceptional nutritional density of this amazing plant. Safety. Now let's talk about some important stuff. Is too much sea moss bad for you? Yes. Like with anything, moderation is key. Overdoing it, particularly with varieties high in iodine, which might negatively impact the thyroid function, according to research you can find on PubMD. In rare cases, very high levels can lead to issues like hyperthyroidism. Also, place close attention to your source. Healthline rightly points out that due to ocean pollution, some batches can contain heavy metals. Always source your sea moss from a reputable supplier who conduct thorough testing for contaminants. Synergies. If you're looking to boost your sea moss experience, here are some pairings you can consider. For hydration, mix it with some coconut water for the enhanced electrolytes and cellular function, and then maybe add some rose water for extra antioxidants and to give your skin some more love. And then some cucumber water, for the additional minerals and kidney support. And if you're feeling like you want a little bit more, then add some aloe vera in there to help with the digestion and the skin healing. Now, if it's detoxification enhancements you're looking for, you can pair it with spirulina to get some more chlorophyll in there and amino acids. Then chlorella could give a cellular detox and B vitamins. Lemon water gives you that additional vitamin C and supports the liver function. And then flaxseed water adds omega-3s and hormonal balance. For liver support, combine with dandelion for detoxing the kidneys, some turmeric. This helps create even more of a powerful anti-inflammatory duo. Some beetroot, perhaps in juiced form, may support liver detox and circulation. And arugula supports with the sulfur compound for enhanced detoxification. Now remember, if you're looking for something in particular, you can choose a specific color of Seamoss to enhance that even further. Quick disclaimer here, it's crucial to remember that the information shared in today is for educational purposes only. These are suggestions based on traditional uses and emerging research, not medical advice. So always consult with your healthcare provider before adding new supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or on medication. Now, with that being said, if you're wondering where to source your Seamoss from, I've dropped some links below so you can check them out. Thanks for diving deep in the world of Seamoss with me. If you found it valuable, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.